How to create Canva presentation. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and log into your account. Then click on Create a Design and then click on Presentation. You'll find all these templates pop up. You can select any template you want. If you go to Elements, you'll find all the shapes. And if you go to Text, simply you'll find Add a Text box and all the headings. After that, if you want to edit your template, you can double click on it, delete what's written in there and write what you want. You can do same with other slides, add new pictures, write your essays, and you're good to go. That's how to create Canva presentation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.